Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download BlockExplorer app for viewing on-chain transactions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the BlockExplorer app, first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're on an iOS device, navigate to the App Store. In the search bar, type BlockExplorer and hit enter. Look for the BlockExplorer app in the search results. Verify that the app is developed by a trusted publisher. Tap on the app to open its detail page. Here, you will see an option to install or download the app. On Android, tap the Install button. For iOS, tap the Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the BlockExplorer app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. You may need to grant the app necessary permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the app. Once setup is complete, you can start viewing on-chain transactions. Enjoy exploring the features of the BlockExplorer app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.